Understanding assembly. Boost your IELTS score. The word assembly is a versatile and important term in the English language, often appearing in various contexts from politics to manufacturing. Understanding this word and using it correctly can significantly improve your IELTS score. Let's explore the word assembly in detail. Word type. Assembly is primarily used as a noun. Meaning. Assembly has several related meanings. First, it refers to a group of people gathered together for a common purpose, such as a school assembly or a political assembly. Second, it can mean the process of fitting together the parts of something, like the assembly of a piece of furniture. Lastly, it can refer to a legislative body, such as the United Nations General Assembly. Word history. The word assembly comes from the Old French word assembly, which means a gathering of people. This, in turn, comes from the Latin word assimilare, meaning to bring together or to join. Antonyms. Some antonyms for assembly include dispersal, separation, and disassembly. Synonyms. Synonyms for assembly include gathering, meeting, congregation, and in some contexts, construction or fabrication. Examples used in sentences. The school principal called an emergency assembly to address the recent vandalism incident. The car manufacturing plant has a complex assembly line that produces hundreds of vehicles daily. The United Nations General Assembly voted on the resolution to promote global peace. Students are required to assemble their project models before the science fair next week. Common errors in use. One common error is confusing assembly with assemble. Remember, assembly is a noun while assemble is a verb. For example, you would say the assembly of the furniture was difficult, not the assemble of the furniture was difficult. Another mistake is using assembly when congregation might be more appropriate in religious contexts. While both words can mean a gathering of people, congregation is more commonly used for religious gatherings. Mastering the word assembly and its various uses will enhance your vocabulary and help you express yourself more precisely in the IELTS exam. Practice using this word in different contexts to become more comfortable with it. Remember, the key to improving your English is consistent practice and exposure to new vocabulary in various situations.